Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of this course. In this video we're going to continue working on our previous project. As you can see, we have this 3D text. However, now it's time to add a camera to our canvas or our view. Okay, let's click on this camera. Pretty awesome. And now if you pan around, you can see the camera is fixed and facing our text in the specific view that we set. Okay, so if you click on this camera view in layer list, there we go, you will get your desired camera view. A camera helps us to keep a specific view whenever we want to render our project. Okay, so now let's render our text once again. And as you can see, it doesn't seem realistic, okay? Because we don't have great shadows and great lighting. So let's fix it. What we are going to do is choosing a shadow plane. Pretty awesome. I'm gonna move it down. And as you can see, now we have a shadow plane, okay? As a matter of fact, whenever you put an object or let's say a 3D text on top of a shadow plane, it will automatically create a shadow for that. So for instance here, let me zoom in. As you can see, our text is not perfectly above our shadow plane. So first of all, let's select our 3D text and press A. Pretty good. And then I'm gonna move it up like this. Make sure that it's above your shadow plane, okay? As you can see, it's not, so I'm gonna move it up again. Now it's pretty good, okay? So if you render your object right now, you can see that we've got a great shadow. Can you see that? As a matter of fact, you can also add some light. For instance, here I'm gonna go for rectangle light like this. I'm gonna move it a little bit. And let's render our scene once again. It's too bright. Now it's better. Fantastic. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next video.